Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to our channel, Balaji English Language Learners. Sometimes a break helps us come back better, and I am here back with you on Balaji English Language Learners. Let's start our spoken English journey together once again. Sentences which we use in our daily life. For suppose if I say, I will do it, what is a way to tell in a smart way? I will take care of it. I understand. I got your point. I will check. I'll look into it. Tell me later. Keep me posted. I will inform you. I will let you know. I am busy. I'm tied up right now. I am coming. I am on my way. I will try. I'll give it a shot. I forgot. It slipped my mind. I agree. That makes sense. I don't agree. I see it differently. Let's start. Let's get started. Finish it. Wrap it up. I will call you. I'll get back to you. Be careful. Watch out. Relax. Take it easy. Think about it. Give it a thought. It's easy. It's simple. No problem. Not an issue.